Hello friends, welcome to Current Affairs Review. Today in this video, we will explore the various forms of martial arts in India. Kallripayattu is one of the oldest and most renowned martial art techniques in India. Recently, it has widely spread and practiced in many martial art schools in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. It is accepted as the father of modern Kung Fu, fine martial art technique that originated from China. Kallripayattu enhances kinesthetic awareness and mostly engages with foot movement. It also involves medicinal practice and helps to restore body balance and mental peace. Kallripayattu is now included in the sports category by Khelo India Youth Games 2021. Silambam has originated from Tamil Nadu in India during the 4th century BC. It is a modern and scientifically based martial art form, which finds its references in Silappazhikaram and other Sangam literature. This martial art technique was believed to gain acclamation in many foreign countries in the Middle East, North Africa, Europe, and Southeast Asia. The martial artist becomes enough trained to diffuse uncontrollable mobs by different strokes. Presently, there is a World Silambam Association, which is an official international body of Silambam. Chebi Gadjie is one of the traditional martial art forms which originated from Manipur. Its combat technique was initially comprised of two types of equipment, a sword and a shield. Presently, it has been modified to a stick encased in soft leather and a leather shield. Thoda is a martial art form which has its roots in the age of Puranas. This martial art form originated from the Kulu region of Himachal Pradesh. This martial art form requires weapons like bow and arrow. Culture, martial arts and sports are a mere amalgamation of this art form. It is held on Baishakhi Day, with prayers and community rituals organized to implore the blessing of the principal deities, goddesses Mashu and Durga. Gatka is an ancient martial art that originated in the 15th century when it was originally associated with the Sikh gurus, especially Nihang Sikh warriors. The original emphasis of this martial art is gained from the oldest version of Shastra Vidya. Gatka was originally adopted for self-defense, but today, it is showcased on numerous occasions. Gatka got its due recognition after being included in the sports category under Khelo India Youth Games 2021. Mardani Khel is a typical armed Indian martial art which originated from Maharashtra. It uses Indian weapons like patta and vita. This art form focuses on skills of weaponry, especially swords, swift movements, and the use of low stances. It is now widely practiced in the district of Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Some famous practitioners of this martial art form includes Shivaji Raje Bhonsle, Tanaji Malusre, Baji Prabhu, Sarsenpati Umabai, Maharani Tarabai. Lathi is one of the ancient armed martial art of India, whose etymology derived from the Bengali word lathi, meaning stick. Lathi Khela is divided roughly into two techniques, Banethi and Halwa. It is now majorly practiced in the rural part of West Bengal and Punjab. Kuttuwari Sai is believed to be one of the oldest martial art techniques in India. Reference of Kuttu Varisai is found in Sangam literature during the period 2nd to 1st BCE. It is the unarmed combat component of Silambam and also a standalone martial art. The practice of this martial art includes kinesthetic awareness, balance, speed, agility, and hand-eye coordination. It is mainly practiced in Tamil Nadu in India and in a few parts of Sri Lanka and Malaysia. Paika Akhada has its origin in Odisha. This martial art form assimilates both dance and combat. It encompasses acrobatic movements and equipment like khada, patta and sticks. This martial art technique originated in Kashmir, India. In Persian, the word ske means the knowledge of war. It includes weapons like a curved sword and a shield. Presently, this martial art is governed and maintained by Ske Federation of India. Kathi Samu is one of the oldest martial art forms of Andhra Pradesh, India. The word Kathi Samu means fighting with a sword. In Kathi Samu, dual combat takes place with long curved swords. The royal armies of Andhra Pradesh are maestros of this martial art form. A traditional sport that includes aerial yogic postures and wrestling grips. It was declared as the state sport of Madhya Pradesh. It has now been included in the sports category by Khelo India Youth Games 2021. Other than these, a few more martial art forms that originated and are practiced in India are Kathi Samu, the oldest martial art forms of Andhra Pradesh. Bandesh, this martial art technique that emphasizes on disarming the opponent without taking his life. Malla Yuddha, a combat, wrestling art form, and a formidable ancestor of Kusti. Insunor, also known as rod-pushing sport, that originated in Mizoram. Kirip and Saldu are combat wrestling martial art form popular among the people of Nicobarese tribe. Varma Ati, the traditional combat technique which originated at Kanyakumari. Recently, the Sports Ministry introduced 4 indigenous martial art forms: 1. Kalaripayattu of Kerala, 2. Mallakhambh of Central India, 3. Gatka of Punjab and 4. Hangta of Manipur into Khelo India Youth Games 2021. This is a huge step towards promoting these indigenous martial art forms. It is envisaged that these newly created platforms by India government will provide the due recognition to the Indian martial art forms. Download material for this issue from our website. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.